Welcome to our exploration of the fantastic world of caviar production. Today I invite you on this charming journey into the heart of Black Caviar processing factory. We'll take an exclusive behind the scene of look this interact process. Involved in creating one of the most luxurious and demanding delicious in this world. Black Caviar Process Factory play the crucial role in this production and distribution of this high-pricing delicious, with its reputation and most expensive food in this world. Black caviar is a luxury item that requires the meticulous process to maintain the high quality and taste. The first step of black caviar process in factory is start with this harvesting of sturgeon fish, which are well known for their high quality egg. Harvesting the delicious process that required carefully handling to avoid the damage the egg. Once the fish is caught, they are taken in the process facility, where they undergo a series of steps. The eggs are gently extracted using a special equipment to ensure that they remain intact and highest quality. Following extraction, the egg is undergoes the grading, which is an essential part of this process. The caviar is carefully examined by training professionals who assess the size, color, taste, and flavor. Based on this criteria, the egg is categorized into this different grade, range from high quality, known the grade 1, or inferior grade. Each grade has own market value and suited for different consumer preparation. After grading, the black caviar packaged in an airtight container to perceive the freshness and flavor. The packing process takes place in a sterile environment, ensuring that the product remains uncontaminated and retain the distinctive taste. Proper labeling provides the crucial information, such as the origin of caviar, which is significant to some of consumers who prefer the certain region, known their experience of black caviar. Let us celebrate this unparalleled satisfaction. Thank you for joining us in this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more interesting video. Thanks again.